You guys know that I am a huge fan of chinos. And so on today's video, I'm bringing you 3 affordable brands that you can purchase chinos from on a budget. But first, the intro. Welcome back, gentlemen. My name is Jason. I'm the founder of Esteemed Image, where I help men discover their best self through style, grooming, and fashion. And on today's video, we're going to talk about chinos, and I'm going to bring you 3 affordable brands that you can go out and purchase chinos from that won't break the bank. I love chinos because they're the perfect option for spring and summer. Because of their construction, you can dress them up or dress them down. They come in a variety of colors to give you options for work and for your leisure time. And each pair that I'm going to talk about today is going to run you about $30 to $40. So again, you won't be breaking the bank. Let's hop into the list. Number 1. Now this company I really like, and I'll explain why here in a second, but that's Uniqlo. I'm a huge fan of Uniqlo because their price point comes in at $39.90 for each pair, but today they're actually running a promo for $29.90. What separates Uniqlo from other brands is that when you purchase a pair of trousers from them, you can get them hemmed for free. Now most places you have to go somewhere else to get them hemmed, or you're going to be charged to do so, but at Uniqlo you can get them done for free. The styles that Uniqlo offer are slim fit, and even regular fit chinos, and they come in a variety of colors. These chinos are super comfortable, and again, with the different color options, you pretty much can buy 5 different pair of chinos if you have the money to do so, and have a different color for every day of the week. I'll have them linked in the description. Be sure to check them out. Coming in number 2, H&M. Now I warn you, these aren't the best quality chinos out there. For the price point of $29.90, they are a decent quality chino. Now, the reason why I say the quality isn't that great is because they are thin, so in my opinion, they seem to wrinkle up a little bit faster than most chinos. So that's something I want to warn you about. The great thing about H&M though, like I said, not only the price point, but they come in a variety of colorways, so you're not just stuck to your tans and your blues, but also they come in a skinny, a slim fit, and a regular fit as well. I'll make sure I have them linked in the description so you can check them out. Now before I get to number 3, I just want to give you a quick tip on preserving the life of your chinos. My suggestion would be to wash them in cold water with a detergent designed for colored clothing. That way they're not going to fade. And also when it comes to drying, I suggest that you let them air dry instead of putting them in the dryer. I know that the tag may say to tumble dry on low, but just let them air dry, you'll be fine. After they're finished drying, just either steam them or give them a light iron, hang them up, and you should be good to go. Now keep in mind that all dark colors do fade over time, so you're not going to get away from that, but the steps that I just mentioned will help preserve the life of your chinos. Last but not least, coming in at number 3 is J. Crew. Now yes, you guys know that I'm very partial to J. Crew because I talk about them pretty much in every video, and I own a lot of J. Crew clothing, and that's because they fit well, they're at a great price point, and they just look good. The clothes look amazing in my opinion. Now the thing about J. Crew is that they have several different lines of chinos that you can purchase from. However, the line that I'm going to talk about today is a line that I mentioned before in previous videos, and that's the Mercantile line. And this line can be found on the J. Crew factory website, and I'll make sure I have that linked in the description. Now what I love about this line is that, again, the quality, the fabric is not too thin, it's not too thick either. It's like perfect, so they fit you well and they drape your body well. This line, especially for me being a shorter guy, what I usually do is that when I purchase a fresh pair of chinos, I'll go ahead and wash them to let them shrink a little bit, and then they usually fit me pretty well. The only thing, because again, as I've told you in previous videos, I don't like a break in my pants, especially like my trousers, so I actually go get them hemmed with no break. But if I didn't mind a slight break after washing them the first time, the chinos would be perfect. They come at a price point of about $34 on the J. Crew website, which is a little more than the 2 I mentioned previously. However, again, the quality is unmatched. I think they're a great brand, and if you have a J. Crew or J. Crew factory near you, I suggest going and checking the chinos out. Once again, I'll have them linked in the description so you can check them out and buy a pair for yourself. Well, Jess, that's all I have for today. 3 affordable brands where you can go purchase some chinos for the spring and summer. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are subscribed already, please hit the notification bell. That way when I drop more videos, you'll be the first to know. Alright, gentlemen, that's it for today. See you next week. Peace.